Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Inspire English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Today's episode is all about something you'll use every single day: real-life, daily English conversations.
Yes, we're going to teach you the most important conversations for everyday life. Greetings, shopping, eating out, asking for help, making small talk, and more.
And we won't just explain them. We'll actually act out real conversations so you can listen, repeat, and learn naturally.
Let's start with the basics: greetings and introductions, the most used conversation in the world. Here's a natural example. Listen first.
Conversation 1. Greeting someone new.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well. I'm Emily, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm David.
Nice to meet you too. Are you from around here?
Yeah, I live nearby. What about you?
This is simple, friendly, and real. People use it everywhere.
And you don't need perfect grammar, just confidence.
Conversation 2. Natural small talk.
Hey, David, how was your weekend?
It was nice. I visited my family and relaxed. How about you?
Pretty good. I went hiking with some friends.
Oh, nice. Where did you go?
A small mountain outside the city. The view was amazing.
See? Simple, natural.
And it helps build confidence.
So, David, what's your day like?
Well, I usually wake up around 7. I make coffee, answer emails, then start work around 9.
Sounds productive. Do you take breaks?
Yeah, I take a short walk at lunch. It helps clear my mind.
That's a good habit.
Talking about routines is great practice for fluency.
And people love asking, how's your day going?
Now let's do a super practical one: ordering coffee.
Hi there. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And can you add 1 extra shot of espresso?
No problem. Anything else?
That's it. How much?
It's $4.50.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You can use this exact conversation anywhere in the world.
Coffee shops, restaurants, hotels, it works everywhere.
A lot of learners feel shy asking for help, but these phrases make it easy.
Conversation 5. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station. Is it close?
Yes, it's about a 5-minute walk. Go straight, turn left at the corner, and you'll see it.
Great. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Useful, simple, and polite. Memorize it. You'll use this one often.
Conversation 6. Shopping.
Hi, do you have the shirt in a medium?
Let me check. Yes, we do. Here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Perfect. Thank you.
Every student should know this conversation. It makes shopping easier and stress-free. Conversation 7. At the pharmacy.
Hi, excuse me. Do you have anything for a headache?
Yes, we do. Do you want pills or something more natural?
Just something simple, please. Maybe pills.
No problem. Here's a popular one. Take 1 tablet every 6 hours.
Great. Thank you. How much is it?
It's $7.50.
Perfect. I'll take it. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Feel better soon.
Conversation 8. Making an appointment.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to make an appointment for tomorrow.
Sure. What time works best for you?
Anytime in the afternoon.
Let me check. We have openings at 2:30 and 4:15.
I'll take the 2:30 slot.
Great. What's your name, please?
Emily Parker.
All right. You're all set for 2:30 tomorrow.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Conversation 9. At the bus stop.
Hi, excuse me. Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, it does. It's about 10 stops from here.
Great. Do you know when the next bus arrives?
In about 5 minutes. They usually come every 15 minutes.
That's good. And how much is the fare?
It's $2.50. You can pay with cash or a card.
Awesome. Thank you for the information.
No problem. Safe travels.
Conversation 10. Ending nicely.
Ending a conversation is as important as starting one.
All right, Emily, I should get going.
No problem. It was great talking to you.
Yeah, let's catch up later.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too.
Before we finish, remember, these daily conversations are the foundation of real English.
You don't need big, complicated vocabulary. You need simple, natural sentences used with confidence.
Repeat these conversations. Practice a little every day.
And soon, English won't feel like a school subject. It will feel like part of your life.